Hi, I'm Jennifer Papich.
And I'm Blake.
Today we're going to show you how to make some easy DIY bird feeders. Blake's going to tell you all the ingredients we need.
Okay. You'll need 4 cups of birdseed, 3/4 cup of flour, 5 teaspoons of unflavored gelatin, 3 tablespoons of corn syrup, 1/2 cup of water, cooking spray, parchment-lined baking sheet, thick-sided cookie cutter, and so we don't have a skewer, so we're just using a pencil. But if you have a skewer, you can use a skewer.
Perfect. Okay, let's get started.
To start, we're going to combine all the dry ingredients. Our 3/4 cup flour, then our 5 teaspoons of dry unflavored gelatin. Combine that with the birdseed and give it a good mix. Now it's time to add our wet ingredients. We're going to start by adding our 1/2 cup of water, pouring it nicely into the mixture. Then we're going to add our 3 tablespoons of corn syrup. You might want to use a spatula, that stuff is sticky. Give everything a good mix, combining all the ingredients together. I highly recommend getting your hands in there to create the perfect clumpy consistency. Now spray your cookie cutter and gently spoon in the mixture. Remember to really firmly pack down the mixture into the cookie cutter mold for the perfect sturdy bird feeder. Once you've filled your bird feeder to the top, use your pencil or skewer and make a hole at the top of the bird feeder. This hole will be used to string ribbon through so we can hang this on a tree. Gently lift the cookie cutter off of the bird feeder. Perfect. Let your bird feeders rest and dry for up to 24 hours. After they've dried, use the ribbon and string to tie them on a tree.
This is a perfect activity for you to do by yourself or with little helping hands. Hang it in your tree so you can watch as the birds come to visit, or bring it to a family member's house so they can enjoy the birds as well.